I'm Emily, and I'm going to show you how to register your domain at Godaddy. Let's get started. Our starting point will be at godaddy.com. Select the search field. Enter the domain you want and select Search Domain to see if it's available. Sweet! The domain that I want is available for purchase. Before adding to the cart, you will see a list of other suggested website names and extensions. If you're planning to expand your brand in the future, you might want to grab some additional domains. For now, I'm good with the one domain, so I'm going to continue to cart. On this screen, you have some options that help you protect your personal information and make the most of your domain. We recommend full domain protection, which provides an extra level of security that prevents hackers from stealing your domain. Ultimate Domain Protection adds the safety feature of holding on to your domain for 90 days after it expires, just in case you forget to turn on your auto-renew feature. I'm taking the full protection option and continuing to my cart. This is the purchase summary page. You can choose with this dropdown how many years you would like to pay for the domain up front. 10 years is the maximum, but the domain will continue to renew for as long as you want to keep it. I am going to select 1 year for this domain. Below the term field is the rate at which your domain will renew. This is the amount I will be charged next year if I choose to renew. You also have the option to add Microsoft Office 365 Email Essentials here if you'd like. Godaddy offers several email options, so if you'd rather do some research first, you can always add email later from your domain dashboard. If you decide to remove anything from your cart, use the trash can icon. The subtotal displays with the promo code link below. Choose View All Promo Codes to see all of the current offers. And if you have a promo code, don't forget to use it. Looks good, I'm ready to pay. Now you'll need an account. If you already have an account, choose Sign In. If you don't have an existing account, you can create an account with GoDaddy using your Facebook, Google account, or email address. I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in. Next up is billing information. You want to make sure that you're entering the address where your billing statement is sent to. You'll need to choose the payment type you'd like to use. You can enter your credit card or checking account information. I've entered my credit card information, so all I need to do is review my order summary before completing my purchase. I have 3 items in my order, which I can edit if needed. I also have a last chance to edit a promo code here. By default, the auto-renew feature is selected. This allows GoDaddy to charge my payment method automatically yearly, so I don't accidentally lose my domain. You can always change this later in your account. I have my domain and domain protection paid for 1 year. The third item is a free trial of Website Builder to get your website up and running. This may sound obvious, but make sure you have your domain spelled right. This is your last chance to change it, and we really want to make sure you're getting the one you want. If you need to make any changes to your cart, choose Edit Order. If you're satisfied with everything the way it is, choose Complete Purchase. And that's it. You've registered your domain at GoDaddy. Congrats! I'm Emily. See you next time.